welcome. The Employee Performance Appraisal is the fundamental tool to understanding employees and helping them to achieve the company's business objectives. Many of the supervisors and managers are required a template or guidance to conduct employee annual evaluation. So, I thought to share a template which will be helpful and can be applied in any type of industries. You may edit this form as you desired. This template contained 4 pages. The necessary instructions and guidelines of this template are given in the first page. And the evaluation questionnaires and approval sections are provided in the following pages. You can protect the template by providing a password. In this way, the template has designed to use by the end user without altering the original content. In the first page, you can add your company logo. For this, remove the company header name. Go to header and footer menu. And click picture option. Select your company logo. Now let us reduce the size of the logo. Click on the header and footer option again. And go to header and footer menu. Then click picture format. From the window, reduce the width and height values. Same, you can enter your company name as well. In the second page, enter employee details. Then you can continue the evaluation corresponding to the given questionnaire. You can rate the employee responses from 1 to 5. Rate 5 means the responses from the employee was outstanding, and 1 rated for unsatisfactory. Based on your evaluation, select the rate by clicking on the checkbox. Corresponded rank will be automatically added for the calculations. Also, you may add your justification for the provided rates in the justification box. There are 9 evaluation questionnaires are included based on the employee evaluation criteria. Once you have completed the evaluation, the final performance rating will be indicated automatically. Based on the evaluation performance, the section number 2 is allocated to mention the training and development requirement of the employee. Finally, provided the section for the necessary approvals from the authorized personnel like line managers and HR division, etc. You can download this free template from the link provided in the description. So I hope this lesson was useful for you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments on this lesson, please mention in the comments section, and make sure to like the video, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more future videos. Have a nice day.